Hey, my name is Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here, and today we're doing a request video from a friend of mine. How to live with a partner that is not spiritual. I really do not know how to tackle this question, because there are so many different games that you're playing with this sort of question. What does it mean to be spiritual? If you're spiritual, does it mean you fart rainbows? It's like living spirituality in your day-to-day life looks exactly the same as living your ordinary life. And it's all just about where you put your focus upon. And by putting your focus there, you start to expand your awareness and you start to see the broader picture. But you still do things. You still eat your breakfast. I know you can go into breatharianism. I might do a video on that later, but you still eat your breakfast, you still go to work if you're not a millionaire, or even if you are a millionaire, there are many that choose to work. So you still do your daily activities, so to speak, because you're gonna be doing things. Maybe you meditate, maybe you do yoga on top of other things. But you're still gonna be working, you're still gonna be eating, you're still gonna be hanging out with people, you're still gonna be performing your duties, let's just call it, of your day-to-day life. And I see absolutely no reason why, if someone doesn't believe in spirituality, why would that be a problem? You state your truth, and that's it. What is the truth? The truth is absolute. That's it. I often like to say truth doesn't care about emotions, because truth is the truth, and that's it. And 2 plus 2 will always be 4, no matter how insulted or how absurd it or how hurt people may be about it. So it's all about a level of acceptance. Can you accept the person that they are choosing to live their life in this way? And can you accept and love them? That's another level. Can you accept and love them for who they are without judgment? See, the other person doesn't have to partake in spiritual activities in any way, shape, or form. As I stated previously, drinking tea could be a very spiritual activity if you have the right concentration. And so the main question here is not about the other, it is about you as a person. Are you able to accept someone who is choosing to live life in a different way than you? Can you share your life with a person who has different morals, different values, different perception on life than you? If yes, that's perfect. If no, then no. And that is it. You see, you can, of course, you don't have to talk about every single topic with a person. You can talk about things that are important to you in terms of your state of being, for example, but you don't talk about astrophysics with everybody that you meet, now do you? You don't talk about religion with everyone that you meet. You don't talk about the vegetables that grow in your garden with everyone. You see, so knowing that you don't talk about every single topic with every single person, well, that means you don't have to talk about certain things with this particular person as well. And you wanting to do that, and you're trying to force the person to do that, is just you lacking the acceptance that this person is just not interested in that path, that they are choosing to explore and express themselves in a different way, which is perfectly fine in and of themselves. It's all about acceptance and love. I hope that clears things up. Blessings be upon you, my friend. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye.